The charism of the Sisters of the Holy Spirit is prevalent throughout everything we do here, every day that we do it. I mean, the place is named after Margaret Mary Healy Murphy. Her picture is all over the institution. There's also big plaques about the Sisters of the Holy Spirit, about their mission and their charism. The library is named after Sister Mary Boniface O'Neill, probably one of the most famous nuns in San Antonio. Their charism, their work among those who most need their help is prevalent in everything that we do.
You know, when you join a congregation, you join it because somehow something there resonates with you inside. And I see that in all our sisters. Somebody used the expression that Jesus was like a magnet to metal. You know, well, they're kind of like that. You know, that magnet is right to people who have needs.
As a sister of the Holy Spirit, it means bringing the compassion of Christ, the love of Christ, into people's lives in whatever situation they find themselves in.
The people that work here come because they believe in the mission, and they realize the mission is to help at-risk youth who, for one reason or the other, have not been successful. And so that's kind of the foundation of what we do.
Bringing out the best in the person, it's sharing our gifts and talents, whatever God has given us, so that they feel that they too can strive and succeed and be loved along in the process, okay, that they feel appreciated and that they recognize that they have talent in themselves and those talents are brought forth.
Here, you know that they're going to care and they're going to try to help you through whatever you need. Like, all you have to do is talk to them about it and they'll help you. They have, like, it's like a family here, you know.
I had got pregnant at a very young age, and just when I thought my education was coming to an end, I found Healy Murphy, and I was like, wow, and they provide daycare. I can go at my own pace here, so it's much easier for me, and then if I want to get started on my life ahead of time, I can. It's like home instead of like school.